Hey guys, thank you for stopping by for another episode of How Do You Cook? Today we're going to be cooking whole kernel corn from a can. What I'm going to do is I'm going to open up this can of corn with my can opener. And then you just pop the top. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're just going to pour the corn, water and all, in the pan. Just like that. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of butter to the corn. And now, since I got my butter in there, I'm going to go ahead and add some peppercorn medley to my corn, because I like pepper. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my corn over on the stove, and I'm going to turn my stove eye on high for right now, just to get it started. And we'll stir that up just a little bit. Okay. All right, so while this is heating up and getting hot, I'm going to take a brief break, and then we'll come back when it starts to cook. Okay, y'all, we're back. My corn has started to boil. So what you're going to want to do is turn it down to a medium to medium low. So I would say on my stove it's a number 3 for medium low. So we'll just see what that does and see if it comes down at all, because we don't want to boil it too heavy. Okay, so actually, I'm going to turn it down one more notch, down to 2.6, and just continue letting that cook until about half of the water has evaporated into the corn. So, I will be right back when we get closer to the corn being done. Back in a few. Okay, guys, I told y'all to come back when my corn got close to being done. So let's go over here and see what it's doing. I think this is ready to go. So what I'm going to do is turn my stove down to low. And that is how you make a basic canned corn with butter and pepper. That's all you need. Thank you so much for watching this episode of How to Cook Canned Corn. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe to our channel if you like videos like this and you don't want to miss out on any of them. Please click the bell notification so you don't miss out on any. Alright, thank you for watching, and I will see you next time on How Do You Cook. Love you bunch. Mwah. Bye-bye.